So guys, hello and welcome again to Smart Money Hustle. So guys, today I have a site that has open AI training jobs that I want to share with you. And some of these jobs are so recent. Some of them were posted yesterday, okay? So I decided to share it with you. I want to show you how you can also do an application. I'm going to do an application one-on-one with you so that I guide those people who are having a challenge, okay? I'm also going to share a sample resume that I've created that I'm going to use to apply. And for interview, that will be your part because you're the one who is going to do an interview. But I'll just give you some tips. In case they accept you and you are called for an interview, don't panic in the interview, okay? And also go to ChatGPT and ask it for some of the typical questions that are usually asked, including the answers. So you go and pass through the questions, you go and pass through the answers, and then once you are ready for that live interview, do your best, don't tense, okay? So I just want to show you how you can go along and how you can get a message like this one. Like me, you see I already applied for this one. The only thing left is for me to do an interview, okay? Over here. So I want to show you how you can also do that, okay? And it is a Gikuyu language expert application. This is my language. So that's why I selected this position, okay? I'm also going to use the same position to show you how you can do it, okay? So guys, please watch this video up to the end. Don't miss any part. And by the way, if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel because I usually share these AI training jobs. And remember, they are fast come, fast grab, okay? So I might share a job today and then people flood and then the positions run out. And then you end up not getting any chance. So please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I upload any video. So let me continue. So we'll just type on Google Micro1. This is the site, okay? And then you're going to come to this link over here and then you're going to open it. This one leads you directly to where the opportunities are, okay? I'm going to add it in the description of this video. And now after doing that, don't click over here, login or apply now. Just come over here and search the role that you think you qualify for. So you can see like this one was posted yesterday, okay, May 30th, 2026. This one was posted like 2 days ago, May 29, okay. So if I scroll down, you can see these are recent jobs, but these are not for all people. You can see this one, they want a software developer, and I understand some people are not for that category, or maybe they don't have those qualifications. So don't worry, because this site also has jobs for those people who don't fit these categories, okay? Like right now, if I scroll down here, you can see this one, they want a Gikuyu language expert. So if you're from Kenya and you speak a Gikuyu language, I don't know why this position is, you are missing this position. You can see the pay is very good, $30 to $80 per hour. And this position was posted some few days ago. Like it was posted on May 24, okay? So people from Kenya can try this one. If you speak this language or you know this language, you can also apply to this one. You can see they were posted some few days ago, okay? Here they want a script writer. This one, anybody can apply to this one, okay? And it was posted on May 21st, okay? So this one you can try it, okay guys? So you see there are some jobs that we can do, okay? Here they want a biology expert, a physics expert, okay? So you are not limited by those coding alone, the coding ones, okay? There are others that don't involve coding, okay? They want also a sales specialist. You can apply for this one, market expert, if you don't know things about coding. They also have this one of graphic designer. This one was posted May the 15th, okay? So you can try and see if they are still open, okay? So I just want to show you how I did my application, guys, so that you can also like replicate the same, or you can do more than me, okay? So for me, I decided to go with the one of Gikuyu because I understand this language. So you can see this is the job over here. So I clicked over here, apply, or you can click there, apply. And then now you can see here is the job description that is given. You can see now the job description is given over here. It's good for you to pass through the job description so that you understand what the job is all about, okay? And then once you are done, you come and fill here your first name and last name. So for example, I'll just fill my name over here. You also fill your phone number over here. And now you also fill your LinkedIn profile or URL. You cannot proceed if you don't have a LinkedIn URL. So how does a LinkedIn URL looks like? It looks like this one. So you have to create a LinkedIn account. So here is mine. You can see mine is over here, okay? linkedin.com. This one is mine. So you just copy it and then you come and paste it over here. So you'll just head over to your LinkedIn, and then on your profile you're going to see this link or URL. You just copy it and then you paste it over here. Now for your resume, I want to show you how my resume looks like. Maybe you can copy. Mine is just simple. You can go and make yours more outstanding. Okay, let me just show you an example of my resume. So here is my resume over here. I'm just going to scroll down so that you see. This is how mine looks like. So I just want to scroll again so that you can see. Maybe you can copy from mine. So you can see I've listed my technical skill, my availability, my languages, okay, my education, okay, my professional experience. Why have I done that? I have done that because I want my CV to match the job description, okay. You can see like right now I have like here in professional experience, you can see on mine I've made sure that it is in line with that job, okay. So I've used keywords from that job. So what I'll do, I'll just click over here and then I'm going to upload it. I'm going to find it is over here, and then once I've done that, I click next, okay. So you come over here now, you answer some few questions. How soon? Maybe you can start immediately. That is one. What is your expected? So me, I put the minimum. They say $30 to $80, so I use the minimum. So how many hours per week are you available to work? So personally I selected 15 hours because I'm not available all the time. And what is my proficiency in Gikuyu? I said native. It is bilingual because I speak that language, and then I clicked apply. And now after doing that, they told me you are just one step away from moving forward with Micro1 for the Gikuyu language. You can review the role over here. So you see now I'm now being prompted to take the interview. It's just that simple. So you can find this in your email. You can see now the message has also been sent on my email. So you can schedule to do your interview later, but I'll advise you to do it as soon as possible. So I'll just click over start my AI interview, and in this interview you're supposed to use your computer. Make sure it has a camera that is working, okay? And also you are supposed to share the full screen, okay guys? That's all. So that's how you apply for these jobs, okay? So you just come over here, you select the ones that you think you qualify for. And also guys, I know this video has not been so much comprehensive, but I've leaded you up to where you can get an interview. So for interview, just go and look for the typical questions that are usually asked, and I believe you're going to pass it, okay? This one doesn't have a lot of things. So the site is Micro1. Make sure you try it guys. And also guys, I'm going to share another site very soon. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I share it, you are going to be among the first to be notified. And also, if you have a challenge, you can post in the comment section. We help each other. This one is a community for all of us to grow, okay? So guys, this is Smart Money Hustle. You can come and check these jobs over here. There are very many. You come and check and see. If you think you have a specific name, like maybe let me say transcription, let me see. Yeah, you can see there are these ones of transcription, okay? But for these languages that are listed over here, okay? There's this one of audio transcription expert. You can come and check, see if it's still available. So guys, that is how you do an application, and make sure your CV is good. It's more good than mine, okay? This one is I just used for as a sample, okay? You go and do your best. So guys, this is Smart Money Hustle. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.